Has it ever happened to you that you sat down to study and suddenly felt tired, lazy, and unable to continue? In this video, I'll share 5 tips that helped me study even when I'm exhausted. So if you really want to study when you're tired, watch this video until the end. Otherwise, you'll keep struggling to get things done. Here's the secret no one talks about. First, warm up. Footballers, runners, every athlete warms up before starting their exercise to prepare their body. Studying is the same. So next time, before you start studying, do a quick 5-minute reset to prepare yourself to enter the flow state. Stand up, stretch, move your body. This physical change releases tension and cuts through fatigue. Second, use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this for 3 to 4 cycles, then take a longer 20 to 30-minute break. Short focus bursts reduce decision fatigue and make studying feel easier. Third, be organized. Before you start, know exactly what subject you're studying, what material you'll cover, how long you'll study. Clarity kills procrastination. Fourth, reward yourself. Tell yourself, after this study session, I'll get my favorite snack. This simple reward gives you the motivation to start and actually get things done. Apply these tips and tell me how it goes in the comments below. For now, see you in the next video.